Hi guys, this is Dudek. Thank you for watching these videos. Welcome to my channel. So today I just came right now from work and I said, okay, let me make a quick video. As you can see, like I'm completely a little bit wet because it's windy, but I just came back and with my receipt from Decathlon. Here you can see all I bought and I spent it only 58 euros. So you can see here 58 euros. So I'm gonna recommend you, because if you are tired of having thousands of umbrellas that are like getting broken so easily every time, like this type of umbrellas, you know, this small one that's getting broken really easily with the wind, with when the rain is so heavy, when the snow is too heavy, like yeah, they goes really easily broken, you know. So today I found a really excellent solution, and reason why I'm recommending everyone to go there to Decathlon. So this is the name of the shop, any shop, you know, to buy it. And hold on a second. So here I am. This is, oh my god, it's getting wet everywhere. I will clean it later, no worries. So this is the amazing umbrella, you know. I'm gonna put here a small video that you can see when I was on the street and how it looks when it's open. So it has an upside and a downside. So it's similar to what you have when you are on the beach, you know, I don't know how you call it in English, but I will put here the picture. It's exactly like this, you know. It's very similar, you know, because it's like really big and you feel really well covered, you know. And yes, so apart from that, I also bought this, you know, which is really amazing. That's snow boots, black, yeah, the small boots, sorry. I will go one by one. This is the snow boots, yeah. So this one is for snow and for rain, and you can see that covers really well. It's amazing. And yeah, here is like to keep warm. You can see that it's really soft and to keep warm inside. And then from the outside it's like plastic, but it's like very good for the snow and also for the rain, because I'm like really tired of wearing just normal standard boots or standard trainer or any type of shoes that, like, when it rains a lot you feel that the water goes inside and then you have like your like really wet, you know, inside, and it's like really, oh my god, it's disgusting, and then you go sick really easily. So that's why I recommend this. And the last one is the rain poncho. Okay, never mind. The rain poncho is this one, you know. As you can see, it looks when you put it exactly like this. I bought this one, is size LXL, because even though my size is M, but I like when it's like bigger, you know, so I don't get wet. This is just in case I forget the umbrella, so I will keep this in my bag, you know. And yes, so regarding the umbrella, I will come back because it's the most important part for me. The name is Inesis Tour 900, Inesis or Inesis Tour 900. As you can see here, this is the name of the umbrella. It's really big and I like it because this cover is not only, as I mentioned, for the rain and snow, it's also for the sun, you know. So yeah, the name you call that which you put when you are on the beach, this here is sun protector, sun umbrella, I don't know. Anyways, yeah, I hope this video was helpful for you. Please share it with other friends, family member that you find that you think that will help them, you know, because I think that's really useful, because spending your money on umbrellas that is getting broken every now and then, spending 20 euro for each umbrella, This was very good because the umbrella costed €31. The snow boots costed €18, which is not that much. And then the rain poncho only €9, which is amazing, and makes a total of €58. I didn't spend much money, and I think like I have 3 different stuff with good quality that would last a long time, you know. So thank you very much for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe. Don't forget to comment and let me know your opinion, and see each other in the next video.